This is very exciting, enterprising North, and here we are in the Starship Enterprise. We've got the colour scheme and everything. I feel like Captain Kirk, and I'll be interviewing people here on the bridge. So logic, Captain. It's going to be great. We're going to have a lot of fun.
The funding and support from Enterprise North project has actually been transformational for my business.
Learning with that support has been massively helpful for me.
Taking the ideas out of my mind and putting into a real plan. Yeah, some wicked support.
My name is Paul McKeldin, and I have the pleasure and the honour of leading something called the North East Enterprise Agencies.
Talk about boldly going where no one has gone before, and that's what so many of you are doing right now.
So my top tip from today has been the message around having a key focus for your business, about making sure it's narrow and not too broad, and therefore it will reach your target market very effectively.
I think for me it was the AI. Pascal said something about how you could create yourself using AI. I could get my message out.
How much support there is in the North East. There's like all these different groups, TEDCO, you've got Vic. Yeah, how much support there is in the North East.
It's been a really fantastic event in the fact that I've been able to make contact with a number of different entrepreneurs.
But people are talking to me about my Women Only Wellness gathering. So people have come to me.
How many amazing people there was in one room. Everybody just fired up, buzzing on life.